In this video, we will learn how to update the records in our table. To update records, update query is used in SQL. This is the syntax of update query. It starts with update, then we mention the table name, and then is the keyword set. After this, we mention the column and its value which is to be set. We can specify multiple columns, then we can give where condition. So we saw where condition to specify different conditions. We can use where if we want to update particular records. If we want to update the whole table, we may not use the where condition. So let us look at some of the examples of update query. Let us say we want to update the age and the last name of the customer whose customer ID is 2. So if we go to the database and we look at the table, let us see the customer with customer ID 2. Customer table where cust ID 2. So this customer is 23 years old and the last name of this customer is missing. If you want to add the last name and change the age to 17 years, this is how we do it. We write select, we write update, table name, then we write set, specify the column name which is last name, then we give it the value of p, and then we specify age column and give it a value of 17, where customer ID is 2. Let us run this. One value updated. Let us go and check. So you can see last name of the customer is updated to P and age is now 17. Now if you want to update email IDs of customers whose first name is G or small case g, you can see in our table, if you search customers with name G, let us get all the customer names from customer table. Let us run this to look at our data table first. We can see that there are 4 customers with first name G and one of them has the name G in small case. For all these 4 customers, we want to update the email ID to gee@xyz.com. So how to do that? We will write the update query, update customer table, set email ID to gee@xyz.com, where first name is equal to G in small case, in camel case, and then G in small case. You can notice that we are using OR operator to give 2 conditions at the same time. Let us run this and let us run the select query again. You can see for the customers, the last 4 customers with name G, all four have the same email ID, which is gee@xyz.com. This was not the email ID when this table was created earlier. So that's how we update the rows of a data table. Next, we will learn how to delete rows or records from a table.